Ocwen short sale approvals. Hey, looking for short sale information? You've come to the right place. Mike Wrigley, certified default advocate, distressed property expert, and your short sale specialist here. Thanks for joining us. Ocwen short sale approvals. What's better than an Ocwen short sale? How about 2 Ocwen short sale approvals and a city short sale approval in the span of 3 business days? That's the kind of week we just had. All 3 short sales were approved in less than 30 days, and they were with 2 of our 3 favorite banks. So, why does Ocwen approve short sales so much faster than, say, Bank of America, Chase, or Chase? You know, a lot of it has to do with systems and bureaucracy. A lot has to do with who owns the underlying note, and a lot has to do with, in the case of Bank of America and Chase, media exposure. Now, the folks over at Ocwen seem to understand that the way to cut costs and mitigate their losses is to not drag out the Ocwen short sale process out over months when they can make a decision in weeks. Remember, the smart banker's mantra is first loss is best loss, meaning if the loss you're going to take today is the loss you're going to take today greater or smaller than the loss you'll take as you drag this out, usually the loss today is less than the loss that you'll take down the road. Ocwen seems to get that. Well, I doubt Bank of America ever will. So, what's the secret to a quick Ocwen short sale approval? Give them what they want, when they want it, and do it right the first time. Real simple. Like I've said before, this ain't Burger King. You get it their way or you don't get it at all. Treat the Ocwen short sale associates with dignity and respect, and you too will find your Ocwen short sales getting approved in record time. Now, is a short sale right for you? Give me a call. Let's find out. To get a better idea of when your home will be worth what you owe, log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info for a free estimate, or call me today for a free, no obligation consultation. Call me today, sleep better tonight, and you'll be glad you did.